Welcome to today's Excel tip. This is a table. I created this table by pressing Ctrl T to create a table. I could have also gone to Insert and clicked on Table. And that's how I created this table out of the range. Now I want to insert a pivot table. What a pivot table does is that it summarizes tables. I can go to Design, and then in the Tool section I can go to Summarize with Pivot Table. When I click that, it picks the whole table that I created, and it says, it gives it a name, so it's called Table 6. Now I can specify whether I want to create a new pivot table in this existing worksheet, or let the system open a new worksheet tab for me and place the pivot table there. I'm going to choose existing worksheet, and the location, I'm going to click one of the cells here, and that's the location where I want my pivot table to begin. So I click OK, and then I get my pivot table field list here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag, these are the fields which are at the top of this table. I see the first country, quarter, product, and sales. So I want to be able to filter my pivot table by country. So I'm going to drag country into the filters. Let me remove this level. Click back on the pivot table. So countries will be a filter. The rows of data will probably be quarters. So each quarter I want to know the sales, and the values will be the sales. I can also add the product to the columns. So I can see by quarter which products have been sold. And that's how to create a pivot table. And once a pivot table has a filter, you will notice that if I change the values in the filter, which is the country, in this case country, I'm able to click on select multiple items. This allows all these checkboxes to come besides the countries. So now I can drill in and say, don't show me all, but show me just Kenya and maybe Namibia together. And the table changes to reflect those two items within our general table. Now, if you so happen to change a value in, let's say, the sales of Namibia for quarter 1, the values will update in this table but will not update in your pivot table. To update something in your pivot table, you click anywhere in your pivot table and you go to Analyze, and then you click on Refresh or Alt F5, and that will refresh the data source for the pivot table, and then you receive new data inputs, and all your updates will be seen in your pivot table. The last thing I want to discuss that when you go into your design allows you to also change the theme or the styling of your pivot table. There are lots of designs available, so you can change it pivot table to suit however you want your data to appear. So basically, this is how to create a pivot table, and the pivot table allows you to analyze thousands of rows of data. And the pivot table makes the data more readable and easier to analyze. Try it out and let me know how it goes.